The moon hung low over the healer house. Bluey crept into the living room, her tiny cape flowing behind her like a shadowy mist. "Tonight, I am Dracula Bluey," she whispered, voice low and dramatic, tail flicking with excitement. Bingo peeked from the corner. "Bluey, are you really scary?" she asked, trembling with curious worry. Bluey bared her tiny fangs playfully. "Only a little, and only if you dare," she said with a sly grin. Dad chuckled from the sofa. "Oh no, Dracula is here." Bluey floated across the room, cape fluttering, gliding on invisible wings. 5 seconds later, Bingo gathered courage, holding a flashlight. "I'm not afraid of you," she declared, pointing the light at Bluey. Bluey hissed softly, "You should be," and leapt over a chair, landing softly on the carpet. Bingo squealed, dodging left and right, laughing despite her tiny shiver of fright. Mom entered quietly with a tray of snacks. "Who's scaring whom?" she asked, eyes twinkling. Bluey paused, tilting her head. "I am Dracula, and everyone must obey my spooky rules," she whispered with playful mystery. The pups giggled, pretending to tremble, tails wagging with excitement. 10 seconds later, Dad joined in, raising his arms. "I challenge Dracula Bluey." Bluey spun, cape swirling, hissing playfully, and lunged at him gently. Dad stumbled back, falling onto the couch dramatically. Everyone roared with laughter. Bingo jumped on a pillow, waving her flashlight like a sword. She pretended to save the day as Bluey twirled around. The room became her spooky castle, full of leaping over cushions and crawling under tables. Every move was packed with drama and fun. Finally, she sank to the carpet, breathing heavily, grinning proudly. "Being scary is tiring but so much fun," she said, eyes shining with joyful mischief. Bingo crawled beside her. "You're the best Dracula ever," she whispered, full of happy amazement. Bluey glanced at the camera, fangs showing in a playful grin. If my spooky adventure made you giggle, give a like, tap subscribe, and join us for more thrilling adventure.